When an engine drinks Coca-Cola. Oh my goodness. This engine doesn't have many hours on it. It actually looks quite new. But someone out there was completely heartless. At first, we thought someone put brown sugar in it. But after checking out the security footage, holy cow, they actually poured Coca-Cola inside the clutch basket? No real wear and tear, thankfully. It's a Japanese FCC clutch. Alright, in this episode, I'll show you all the kind of damage Coca-Cola does to an engine. The clutch plates can still be used normally. You see, if a car owner drinks too much Coca-Cola, they'll easily gain weight, which ultimately affects vehicle performance. But this is on another level. They straight up destroyed the engine completely. Everyone, take a close look at this. The engine oil has turned into this complete mess. Truly malicious. Let me tell you, this is downright inhumane. I just realized Coke is even more destructive than pure sugar. Coke is packed with carbon dioxide. And this stuff is highly effective at causing severe damage. On top of that, it contains a massive amount of sugar. It's basically attacking the engine from two different dimensions. Let's take a look at the camshaft. Look how obvious these scoring marks are. To everyone watching, please do not replicate this. Otherwise, you'll be winning a free pair of silver handcuffs. Now let's check out the intake camshaft journal. Man, what a pity. No matter how good the material is, it can't handle this kind of abuse. Let's look at the lifters next. Right where they make contact with the camshaft lobes. Well, just admire the damage for yourselves. The engine oil has completely turned into the color of soy sauce. Why does this look exactly like granulated sugar? In a situation like this, could it be that the intense heat of the engine evaporated the liquid Coke, leaving behind pure, crystallized sugar? The rocker arms aren't completely worn out yet. Looking from the front, it actually looks fine. No wonder Coca-Cola introduced Diet Coke. Turns out, they were actually looking out for our engines all along. Aside from you drinking it, it also reduces the chances of destroying your engine. Man, Coca-Cola is truly amazing. Look at the color of this oil. This stuff is incredibly destructive. The owner said the starter was slipping. But normally, the starter gear mechanism on this car rarely fails. Let's take a look over here, there's a snap ring. I just removed it. That idler gear? It actually fell off from the top of it. When this piece breaks, it will also cause the starter to slip. Man, the magneto flywheel took a heavy hit too. As a fellow car enthusiast, seeing this kind of behavior makes me genuinely furious. How could anyone pour Coca-Cola straight into an engine? Why didn't you use Pepsi instead? Just how much did Coca-Cola pay you to make you commit such a psychotic act? Everyone, look inside the oil pan. It looks like there was definitely more than just one bottle of Coke. This stuff has completely thickened into sludge. It has practically stained the entire inside of the crankcase. In a moment, we'll use the ultrasonic cleaner to wash it thoroughly. And see if we can get the original metal color back. Since you've watched this far, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Removing the oil pump now. Look at the heavy debris inside here. This whole thing is a total disaster. Let me turn on the flashlight to show you all. The crankshaft is 100% done for. Now let's check out the small baffle plate. Oh boy. This hasn't just boiled down into syrup. Look at this, it's about to turn into solid hard candy. If you were to roll all of this into a ball, wouldn't it literally become legitimate candy? Drop a comment and let me know your analysis on this. If it's doable, how exactly would that work? When these culprits get caught, they always cry and beg for mercy. I mean, why bring this misery upon yourself? Let's split the crankcase and inspect the rod bearings. Though the crankshaft and balancer shaft bearings haven't worn down to the copper yet. Looking at them now, they are pretty much on the brink. Let's check the balancer shaft. The oil here is incredibly sticky as well. Look at this, guys. I basically don't even need to explain it, the damage speaks for itself. Next, let's check out the crankshaft and the connecting rods. This particular connecting rod is clearly completely scored and ruined. The one on this side actually looks okay. Take a look at the bearing shells on this side. If I didn't tell you that this bearing shell was crushed flat and welded onto it, you would probably think the crankshaft was completely cracked. Let me show you guys how incredibly difficult it is to get this bearing shell off. Finally got it off. Take a look at that. Look how terribly worn down this bearing surface is. It's clear that the destructive power of Coke is no joke. Needless to say, this crankshaft is absolutely trash now. Take a look for yourselves. As for the connecting rods, this one is completely done for too. The main bearings and the balancer shaft bearings aren't in great shape either. These definitely need to be replaced as well. There's no other way, we have to throw it in the ultrasonic cleaner. Next, let's take a look at the pistons. The piston skirts are completely covered in spots and stains. If you really insisted on using them, sure, they could technically work. We can make do with them. The piston on this side is also reusable. Now let's look at the cylinder bore. Thank goodness it's a ceramic-coated cylinder. Looking at it this way, there aren't any major issues. It can still be used. If this were a cast iron sleeve, it would probably be completely ruined. Not bad, the cylinder and pistons can still be saved and reused. But the piston rings will definitely need to be replaced. Let's drop the case into the ultrasonic tank for a wash. The owner said we absolutely must salvage it. After cleaning for about 10 minutes, let's pull it out and show you how it looks. Wow, doesn't it look so much better and cleaner now? Just look at the horrible state it was in when we first opened it. As soon as the replacement parts arrive, we'll start assembly. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you all for watching.